There's a place on Earth so remote, so isolated, that the closest humans to it are usually astronauts in space. It's called Point Nemo, and it sits deep in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Point Nemo is the location that is farthest away from any land on the entire planet. No islands, no ships, no people for thousands of kilometers in every direction. In fact, the nearest land is more than 2,600 kilometers away. To put that into perspective, that's farther than many cross-country flights. But here's the strange part. The closest humans to Point Nemo often aren't on Earth at all. They're orbiting above it, on the International Space Station. Astronauts flying hundreds of kilometers above the planet can actually be closer to Point Nemo than any human on the surface. Because of this extreme isolation, the area has another unusual purpose. Space agencies use this region as a spacecraft graveyard. When satellites or space stations reach the end of their life, they are guided here. The debris falls safely into the empty ocean, far away from human civilization. Over the years, hundreds of pieces of spacecraft have ended their journey here, all because this location is the most isolated place on Earth. In a world filled with cities, airplanes, and billions of people, Point Nemo remains almost completely untouched, a silent point in the middle of a massive ocean, and the loneliest place on our planet.